Hello everyone, quick overview of SIRI shortcuts, what this is. So basically super handy feature. So with iOS 12 or later, you can create SIRI shortcuts and to help with your everyday tasks and with apps you use the most. So basically, for example, if you like kayak trips app or any other app, you can create a custom command for this app on Siri, and Siri will know that you want to use this app. So you can add a shortcut to Siri this way. So you can just add a shortcut from third-party app on your iOS device, open the app and tap Add to Siri. Tap record and then record a personal phrase you say to Siri to run the shortcut and tap done. You can also add the shortcut from settings. Just go to settings here and search. You will see suggested shortcuts. Tap all shortcuts to see more actions from different apps. Tap plus icon and then record a personal phrase and tap done. So there you have it. For example, you can say like travel plans and then you add in like kayak trips or like kayak or like Momond or whatever, Skyscanner. So depending on the app you like, you can just super easily add these shortcuts. So there you have it. After you add the shortcut on your device, you can run the shortcut by asking Siri your personal phrase on iPhone. Like just say, hey Siri, and then say the personal phrase you created for the shortcut. You can obviously delete shortcuts, change the phrases. You can turn off suggested shortcuts from search, lookup, or the lock screen and stuff like that. But just try that. It can be super handy feature.